Hello guys, welcome to the first episode of From Scratch with me. On today's episode, we are going to make homemade green seasoning. But before we start it, don't forget to show me some love. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share my channel with your family and friends so they can come show me some more love. On this seasoning, all you need is a cumin, a coriander seed, a black pepper. It can be fresh or dry thyme, and the rest of the ingredients that are listed over there. So after you wash and chop, just go ahead and blend everything together. You can also add onions, ginger, and any spice of your choice. I did not add on this one. As you can see, I have a bunch of green onions, so I did not add any onions, and I did not add any spices on this one because this is just like the basic and kind of like regular seasoning that I use, especially if I want to cook stew for my kids. I want to fry rice, something that can boost any flavor in my food. So I just use this green seasoning. And I have red seasoning, which contain different type of spices, and I also have jerk seasoning. So I might be sharing those recipes later, but today let's make a green seasoning that will save our time, especially American life. We work every day. You just want to get something out and make quick. So you have all your seasoning ready. So yeah, this seasoning will save your time. You can add oil while you're blending, or you can add at the end. It doesn't matter. You can either add chicken bouillon or salt. I add pink salt on mine, and voila, you make your first homemade green seasoning. Probably not your first, but this from my experience. I tried on my kebab. They were so bomb and yummy. Oh my god, you can fry rice with it. You can do whatever you want to do with this type of seasoning. I'm Congolese. We don't really eat as much spicy, so I save my spicy seasoning for like if you want to barbecue and whatever, but this one is my everyday use. You can store in the fridge. If you in the fridge, every time you use, make sure you add a little bit of oil. In the freezer, it might last you longer. Yeah, that's what. Just stay connected with me. We have a lot of tips to share on makeup and the rest of the stuff like DIY and recipes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to set your notification on so you won't miss a post.